Hey everyone, welcome back to Infinite Finance. Today I want to tell you how to budget your money step by steps if you are a beginner. Okay, so I have a specific plan and simple plan how to budget your money. If you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, before starting this video, I have a simple chart. You can easily understand through this chart how to budget our money. Okay, so first of all, you set your financial goals. First of all, you set your financial goals. What's your financial goals? You write down on a paper. Okay, then you track your income and expenses. Okay, first you set your goals, financial goals. Okay, then you track your income or expenses, all income from your all resources and your all types of expenses. You track. Then you create a budget plan. I will show you how to create. Okay. And last, you review and adjust your income and your expenses. Okay, to achieve your financial goals. See, here the essence of budgeting. Before when you create a budget, you have to focus on these points. Okay, without focusing on these points, if you create a budget, it will definitely don't work. Okay, so see, first of all, you see your income. Okay, money received from various resources, it is called income. You focus. Then you focus on your expenses. Expenses means like your needs and your wants. Okay, then you focus on resources allocation. Resources allocation, efficient distribution of financial resources. And financial goals, you easily set in the beginning your financial goals. Okay, then you focus on your financial health. Financial health means overall financial well-being and stability. It is called financial health. Next, you make decisions like informed choices based on financial insights. Okay, so whenever you create your budget for your money, you have to focus on these points. These points are very essential for your budgeting plan. Okay, next I want to show you allocation of after tax income in 50-30-20 rule. It is very simple rule. Okay, if you are a beginner, you can easily understand this rule. Okay, here first of all you focus your 50% of your income. 50% of your income you focus on your needs. Your needs. You spend on your needs. 50% of your income. First, you write down what's your needs. Then you focus how to spend and how to budget. Okay? Needs means essential expenses like housing and foods. These are very essential for our life, so we have to spend on these things. Okay. Next, 30% of your income you have to spend on your bonds. Okay. Bonds means discretionary spending on entertainment or dining. Okay. Then 20% of your income you save or you debt savings and your debt repayment. 20% of your income. That's it. Okay. financial security or debt reduction. Like you can invest your money in stocks, FDs, and real estates, other things whenever you want. 20% of your income, 30% of your income you spend on your wants, and 50% of your income you spend on your needs, like your house, your foods, etc. Now you understand 50, 30, 20 rule. Okay. Next, you focus on your budgeting software options. How to budget online in your mobile. Here, some softwares you can focus. First, Mint. Mint is a very simple software. You can easily check out, link in the description. Okay. Mint is a budgeting software, and whenever you create or whenever you make budget plan, okay, budget, then you can easily use this app. And here also other app, Buy is also a budgeting software like this, and every dollar it's budgeting software here. Every dollar another budgeting software options. You can also check out this software for your budget plan. Okay. Now you understand. You can easily do it in your mobile phone or your laptop computer. Okay. So if you have now you understand. So next I want to talk about monthly budget allocation. Monthly budget allocation means your most important things to spend your money, like $900 for your rent, major housing expenses, $300 groceries like essential foods or household items, $150 for entertainment like luxurious and recreational activities, and $300 for your savings fund sets aside for future goals. You can easily allocate your budget on these aspects. Okay, but this is something other people. But if you create your simple budgeting plan, I already told you about 30, 50, 30, 20 rule. Then now you can easily follow this. But if you don't follow this rule, don't worry. Okay, our previous rule is very basic or simple here. Okay, next I want to talk about budgeting methods. Budgeting methods, here I already told you about budgeting essential parts or points, but now here you can also track your expenses. Okay, important thing here, monitor your expenses on a daily basis. Next, cash involves. Okay, cash involves. Okay, use cash involves better budget control. Okay, next, monthly review. You review your budget on spending every month. Here, 3 tips here and simple 3 methods here. You can budget your money. Okay, so here now, if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment box and I will give you reply definitely. So see you in my next video very soon. If you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.